Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you step by step how you can change the aspect ratio for videos and video clips you edit in Shotcut Video Editor in 2025. So let us get started. Alright guys, so as you can see I'm inside the Shotcut Video Editor and I've been working on that example video here. So what you want to do guys is click into settings here in the top left corner. For example, as you can see, we got that video here on that video track, and let me go with that frame here for demonstration purposes. So click into settings, and after that guys, what you will need to do is set a video mode for your video first. Hover your mouse over video mode here and hover your mouse over custom next and click into add. Confirm by clicking into yes here. You may also enable do not show this anymore. And after that guys, here under aspect ratio, simply adjust your aspect ratio load. And as you can see, currently it is at 16:9, but you may switch to 9:16 for instance if you like. Just enter the numbers here, or you may go with a preset here to the right, like for example select a mobile aspect ratio vertical 9:16 on TikTok for instance, or on Instagram, and confirm by clicking into OK here. So what you want to do after that guys, for instance to get rid of that black bars here at the top and at the bottom, is also crop your frame or your video. To do that, left click into your video clip here on your video track to select it, and after that apply a filter. To do that, click into filters here next to playlist, click into this plus button and search or look for a filter called size, rotation and position. This one here, you may also bookmark it by clicking it into that favorite or star icon to the left so that you don't have to search for it every time. And last but not least guys, what you want to do is simply use that frame here, these corners for example, to adjust your size. So left click into it and hold it just like that and simply resize your frame just like that. For example, to get rid of these black bars. Just like that. So let me show you the preview of that video in the 9:16 aspect ratio. And there you go. That's how it looks like. And that's basically it. Now you can save your project or export it in that aspect ratio. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.